Hello friends, in the last period we have discussed about what is the definition of linear equation in two variables, and we have discussed also first example of 2.1. Let us see about the second example of 2.1. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get the latest videos from my channel. Channel name is Arun Kasare sir. Okay, so let's start. Now the given simultaneous equation is what? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. Let us solve it. Now the solution of the given example, we have to denote them in equation first and second. So let us see. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. This is the first equation, and another is what? A plus 5b is equal to 22. This is the second equation. Now in the last period we have discussed when the sign is opposite, at that time we have to add them. Okay, but if we observe the given two equations, the sign of the two equations is same. When the equation sign is the same, at that time we cannot add them, we have to subtract them. So let us see. If we observe the variable coefficient of b variable is the same, coefficient of b variable is same, and the sign is also same, so we have to subtract the given two equations. So therefore subtracting equation first minus equation second. Okay, so let us subtract it. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. What we are going to do? We are going to do here subtraction. Whenever we subtract any kind of the equation, at the time we have to change their sign. So we will be change their sign. So we have changed here their sign. So this is positive, this is negative. Plus minus, minus 3 minus a. That means nothing. That means what? 1 is the coefficient of a. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2a. What about plus minus? 5b will be 0. And what about 26 minus 22? We will get here 4. Therefore, but we are going to find out the value of a. Therefore, a is equal to 4. What about 2? 2 is multiplied to a. 2a, that means what? 2 into a. So 2 is multiplied to the left side. When we change the side, it will be divided to 4. Therefore, a is equal to, what is their division? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we got here the value of a is equal to 2. But what about the b? So we have to substitute the value of a is equal to any equation. We will get the value of b. Therefore, substituting value of a is equal to 2 in equation which is simple, that is second equation. In second equation second. Therefore, second equation is what? A plus 5b is equal to 22. That is the second equation. Therefore, a, what is the value of a? That 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore, 5b is equal to 22, because we are going to find out the value of b. Therefore, we have 5b as it is put. Okay. What about 2? 2 is positive in the left side. When we change the side, it will be negative 2. Okay. So 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. We will get here 20. But we are going to find out the value of b. Therefore, b is equal to 20 as it is. What about 5? 5 is multiplying in the left side. When we change the side, it will be divided to 20. Okay. So therefore, b is equal to, their division is 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 4. Okay. So here we got the value of a and b. Therefore, solutions are a, b is equal to 2 and 4. थैंक यू। बंद करो निकल।